Hello from Putnik School. Welcome to the first lesson of our mini course, How to Read Cyrillic. My name is Rosti and I will be your guide through this exciting journey into the world of the Cyrillic alphabet. Today, we will dive into the history of Cyrillic, learn how to read individual letters, and practice simple syllables. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to recognize and pronounce the basics of Cyrillic. Ready? Let's get started. Cyrillic is an alphabet used for Russian and many other Slavic languages. It was created in the 9th century by two brothers, Saint Kirill and Methodius. They were missionaries who wanted to translate the Bible and other Christian texts into Slavic languages. To do this, they developed an alphabet that reflected the sound of the spoken language. Over the centuries, Cyrillic has evolved. For example, in the Old Church Slavonic period, the alphabet looked quite different from what we use today. Some letters were removed and others were added to better match the sound of modern languages. The fun fact that I already mentioned that Cyrillic is used not only in Russian but also in languages such as Ukrainian, Bulgarian, and Serbian. But each language has its own slight variations, but the core alphabet remains the same. Now that we know a bit about the history, let's dive into the alphabet itself. The Cyrillic alphabet consists of vowels and consonants. Let's start with the vowels. In Russian, there are 10 vowels. A, O, U, E, I, U, Ye, Yo, U, and Ya. Each vowel has a very specific sound. Let's go through them one by one and compare them to English words so you can hear similarities and differences. The first one is A. Sounds like A in a father. For example, the easy word is mama, mama, which means mother, mama. The second sound is O. O. Sounds like O in more, more. O. Moloko, moloko, milk. The sound U sounds like a double O in tuk, tuk, tuk. Musica, U, musica, which means music. E sounds like E in the word met. Met. I met him. Met. Eto. Eto, which means this. The sound E sounds like double E in C. 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 For example, the word mir. 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 I. Mir. World or peace. Next sound, U. This sound doesn't exist in English, but it's quite similar to the I in il, pronounced deeper in the throat, like U, U, U. M, way, M. Yeah, sounds like yeah in yes, yes, yeah, yeah, yes. Есть, есть, to eat or have something. Yo sounds like Y and O in yonder, yonder, yonder. Yo, yolka, 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 which means is a Christmas tree. The sound U sounds like you. You, the word you, yug, yug, the sounds, yug, yug. And the last one is the sound ya, ya, ya. It's like Y and A in yard, yard, yard. Яблоко, 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 which means apple.